China's plans to help Africa's industrialization is a welcome move as it will help revolutionize the continent's economies, said Sini Mwamba, the executive director of a Zambian think tank.
This is a welcome move, particularly that in the case, because we are not mainly looking at Zambia but Africa as a whole, an industrialized African continent will give rise to accelerated growth in terms of the economy. It is important that issues of industrialization where you have Chinese companies coming on board to set up companies that will be able to produce fertilizers locally in Africa will actually a long way in fostering the growth of the agricultural sector, particularly the easy access to cheap fertilizers that will give more inclusive growth in the agricultural sector, particularly productivity.
Mwamba believed that Chinese support has no doubt contributed to poverty alleviation through the mechanization of the agriculture sector, skills transfer, and enhancement of food security.
That aspect basically is a commendable step in terms of enhancing the skills and reducing the level of literacy on the continent.
Mwamba also noted Chinese investments in infrastructure development in Africa, which was key for unlocking African economies.
So this simply means that these infrastructure projects have basically generated employment to the local citizenry in Africa, jobs that are coming from the construction industry in terms of issues of service provision, and they have actually facilitated the operations of local enterprises within the African setup. And particularly even for Zambia, this is a clear indication. We have seen how Zambia as a country has benefited from this initiative in terms of infrastructure development.